Hello everyone, I'm super excited to share with you something amazing today, and it's called the Genius Wave. This could really be a game changer for anyone looking to boost their brain power. And it's a super simple 7-minute audio plan that could help your brain really work at its best without you having to do so much hard work. So, how does the Brainwave project started? Dr. James Rivers, a brain expert from MIT, has been talking about it non-stop. He says that over 20,000 Americans, including his own family, have gone from struggling with brain fog to unlocking peak brain power, all by following this 7-minute daily ritual, according to him. You know how people are always searching for that one thing to boost their brain power? Well, it turns out the key to reaching your full cognitive potential is already within your brain. Well, thanks to the NASA study, we now know that genius kids have access to this special part of their brain that fewer than 2% of us adults still have. It all comes down to theta weights. These are like magic for your brain, super important for problem solving, clear thinking, and even a little bit of luck. But as we get older, these theta wave tend to go quiet, and this is where the genius waves comes in. Genius Waves uses the power of these theta waves, reactivating that special part of your brain that can unlock amazing cognitive abilities. Imagine solving problems easily, thinking more clearly, and feeling like a luck is always on your side. Well, that's what happens when your brain is in harmony with the Genius Wave. The first sound wave designed to boost your brain power is all you need. 70 minutes a day just to relax and to listen to this digital audio on your phone or on your computer and let it work its magic. People are loving how simple 7 minutes a day routine is changing their lives, and some even say that they have found their love, landed a dream job, and achieved their biggest goals, all thanks to this amazing invention right here, which is the Genius Wave. It's a device to help improve your focus, creativity, and overall brain function using sound waves, also known as brainwave entertainment. It works by playing specific frequencies that supposedly sync your brain to a more productive state. So let's break it down. The Genius Waves uses what's called a binaural beats and isochronic tones. These are sounds that simulate your brain waves and shift your brain into different states like deep focus or relaxation. The idea is that it helps you become more productive, get into a flow state of mind, or even help with sleep and medication. Now, for the part you've all been waiting for, does it actually work? I've been using the Genius Wave for a month now, and here's what I noticed. First off, when I tried it during my work sessions, I was a bit skeptical at first. I started with the focused mode, which uses higher frequency beats. After a few minutes, I felt myself getting into a groove. It wasn't like a sudden eureka moment, but I noticed that I was zoning in on my task more, and distractions like my phone or background noises didn't bother me as much. It was as if I had a tunnel vision. I got through my work faster than usual. Then I tried the creativity one. This one uses a different frequency, supposedly to help you with brainstorming or artistic tasks. To be honest, I didn't feel an immediate surge of creativity, but after about 15 minutes, I noticed my mind was wandering in interesting directions. It helped me break through a few mental blocks I had while working on a project. As for the relaxation, I have to say this is where the Genius Waves really stood out for me. I struggle with unwinding at night, especially after a long days of work, but with the low frequency tones, it really helped me wind down. I put on my headphones, laid back, and within a few minutes, I felt this calm wash over me. I don't know if it's a placebo effect, but I did notice that I was falling asleep much faster. Now here's what I like about the Genius Waves. Easy to use, multiple sound settings for different brain states, portable and lightweight, and can enhance your focus and relaxation if you use it regularly. Now here are my final thoughts. So, is the Genius Wave worth it? I'd say that if you're into biohacking, medication, or just want to experiment with ways to improve your productivity, it could be a really useful tool. Just keep in mind, it's not going to instantly transform your life, but use consistently, It can definitely help you boost your focus and relaxation. That's it for today's review. Have you ever tried the Genius Wave before or something similar? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and hit the bell notification for more reviews like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.